striker easy, all you need is a pro pad. Plug it up on the passenger side by the flow mat. Don't even start it up, put it in neutral and let it roll back. If you wonder how I know, cause YouTube, bro, I don't condone it.
What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, and today we're gonna be changing our spoiler. We're gonna try to put on a Hellcat style spoiler and take off that OEM one. This took me about a little while to figure out, so I'm about to go to AutoZone, pick up me this tool set, this deep socket 10mm to take it off. Alright, YouTube, so I'm in the car, man. We're finna go ahead and go to AutoZone and pick up this 10mm bolt or this 10mm socket. It's raining outside, but it ain't that wet. I have to get a new battery, a new keys for our battery too. But, yeah, man. I gotta put these back in and stuff too. I'm gonna do all that. I'm gonna do this later. I gotta put all that back in. So we're gonna let the car warm up for a minute. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we get to AutoZone. Alright, chat, I went to the wrong AutoZone, man. The AutoZone I'm going to is like 11 minutes away from me, bro. I thought I was gonna go to the one right up the street from my crib, like 3 minutes away, but I guess not. So we're gonna take this truck. I ain't want to do this because, you know, it's a weekday, it's Friday, and work traffic, school traffic, man. I'll be out here all night. I mean, all day. And then, you know, police be out on the weekdays, so. But I'm gonna catch y'all, man, when I get to AutoZone. Alright, YouTube, we made it to AutoZone. We got the receipt right here. We got the 10mm right here. So we finna go ahead and see if we can get this spoil off. Hold on. Cause I told y'all my key thing dead. It's good, chat. So we made it back to the crib. I don't know, man. We just gonna keep building it, honestly. I mean, so we finished. Yes, this is my other tire. This is my headlight. I'm gonna clean my car out when I wrap it. Honestly, I'm just trying to fix it up and fix all this other stuff up. But I am gonna fix it once why is this loose? It's like I find something new every time. Don't ask me why I just beat that like that, because I don't know. So we're gonna take this off. We're gonna try to take these bolts off. Right now, I think this the. Let me take this one off. This top one. We're gonna go ahead and y'all see this. This is a 10mm. This is what you need to take it off, a 10mm. Hey, this right here in my way. Hold on, chat. Trying to see what I'm finna do. Alright, hold on. I'll try my right hand. Hold on, chat. Alright, YouTube. We got the we finally got it off. Sorta, kinda, not really. You just gotta pull it out. So hold on. You just gotta pull it out like that. And just clean the surface. So I gotta go in the house and get something to clean this up. This part over here is stuck, it's broke. The screw don't wanna come out. So I'm over here fighting with the screw. But it's how it look without it. It looks so ugly without it. That bit need a spoiler, I can't lie. Or a wicker build. It's ugly without this. I'm about to finish trying to take the rest of this out. It won't come off. Never mind. It fell off. Oh, no wonder. Whatever this is. Let me see. I guess they stuck it on there. Or did they? What this is? It's a screw. I don't know what kind of screw this is. This is a screw though. See, there's a screw chat. I don't know who did that. No wonder it wouldn't come off. This one wouldn't come off. But y'all probably already seen my license plate. I ain't tripping about it, but it's how it look without it. You feel me? Ugly. We like a police car, bro. What? Nah. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get something to clean this stuff off. I had to wipe all this down before I put the new one on there. So I'm gonna pick the camera back up, man, when I'm done. Alright, so chat, we back outside. We got some soap. Got a cloth. This, we don't need this right now. So we got some soap and a cloth. Just gonna scrub. Don't put so much because it can fall through the holes and probably leak in your trunk. See how dirty that is? You gonna get some more? This towel, rag dirty. But this rag gonna stay in the car. I'm gonna put it in my trunk. But look though, chat. Look how that junk look. That junk, man. These tires pissing me off. Boy, this car stuff turned boys to men. Especially them tires. Stay ass in the car. Stay your ass in that car. So I'm gonna go run in the crib real quick. Let me toss this in the car. Run in the crib real quick to go get some tape. I'll be right back. Chat. Alright, YouTube, we making progress, man. We got the 3M tape on there. I'm about to do it right here and over here so I can make sure it stick. I ain't gonna do this side because it's gonna stick to the trunk and the trunk ain't gonna open. So I'm about to do the rest of these other sides and stick it on there. And we gonna see what's up. I mean, it probably ain't the best, but it is what it is. We making progress though. I do need a paint. I need a paint job real bad or a wrap real bad. When I say real bad, like real bad. I gotta get something to cover these holes. Just cover them holes. But other than that, pick the camera back up when I'm trying to stick it on there because I don't got no scissors, and I don't feel like, I got scissors, but I don't feel like going in the house to go get some scissors. So we using this to cut that. So I need both my hands. And this tripod not standing, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when we done with these right here, the sides. Alright, chat. What y'all thinking? It look kinda iffy, but let me see if the trunk will open, how it look with the trunk open. Let me see. It look kinda iffy because the sticky stuff. It probably would look better if I used the screws. Well, I'm finna open the trunk with the phone and screwdriver on the trunk. But nah. Let me see. Okay. I mess with this. I mess with it with the trunk open now. That bit hard. But y'all can see the little sticky stuff on it. You see? See what I'm saying? I don't know why it's like that. Probably because it's laying down in the front. Hold on, I'm trying to press on it. Y'all don't weigh that much. All right, chat. So this is the end product. It is finna rain. So let me put these tools inside the car. It is finna rain. I'm gonna put this. Oh no way! I just threw my key. I tossed the key, chat. I'm a dummy. Chat, did I just toss the key? Chat, where I put the key? Oh, it's in my pocket. Never mind. I'm gonna put the rag in the trunk. This rag gonna go in the trunk. But look though, chat. Okay. We definitely gotta get some SRT badges though. We definitely gotta get some SRT badges. My fault, chat. Yeah. Let me open the door one more time. I do gotta come back outside and take them clips off though. I do gotta come back outside to let me take this bottle down. I do gotta come back outside to take the clips off. Oh, y'all see those 2 clips? I gotta come take these 2 clips off. I gotta retint my tail lights again. And I also have to find something to fill these holes. Honestly, I feel like I'm almost done with the outside. You know, these dirty. They just need to be wet a little bit. You see how they gray? They just need to be wet. Y'all can see, they just need to be wet. They dirty. I feel like I'm almost done with the outside. Take this, change this. Hold on, let me see something. It's hot. That motherfucker hot. Okay, the hood just closed. That's good. Yeah, we just gotta fix this. And we're gonna get a wrap. We gotta get some coilovers. And then we about done with the outside. I ain't doing no more outside. I'm not changing this rear bumper. Oh, we can't forget about the hood. I gotta change the hood too. I gotta change the hood too. We finna go ahead and take these off. Hopefully it don't rain. But other than that, chat. Other than that, we is done for today.